Okay, so here's the box. There, it's a Guild drill press, 350 watt, 13 millimeters. That's a standard on a drill bit, really, for a DIY. $69.99 from Argos, 13.5 kilos. Yeah, looks pretty good. So let's go and see what it looks like inside. So, just opening it up now. As you can see, we've got the instructions here. So that's just saying that that's the Guild press. So let's have a look at this little baby. So we've got some wax coverings there with the base. Let's take the base out. The base there. So what I'll do is show you what we get with it. Obviously that's the up and down. You can adjust it to the height that you want. That's the protector. What I'll do is I'll take it, that's the accessory bits up. Let's have a look inside of this one. Get that down there. So that's basically it. What I'll do is I'll set it up and we'll have a look at the working of it. Okay. So as you can see now, I've unboxed it all, and in the white little box there we just had the chuck and the chuck key, and here you've got the handles and just accessories, the Allen key and bolts. There you've got the guard, the chuck guard, and that's the actual gubbins, the actual machine itself. You've got the stand. You've got the stand there. Obviously the base for it there, and then the razor. You can up and you raise it up or down. So what I'll do now is I'll put it all together and let you know how easy it was, and I'll get back to you. So okay guys, so I've managed to put it all together, and there it is. That's all it's working now. Problems I had, it was just this arm, the rotating arm. It's when you pull it down, this one didn't go in all the way. I don't know if you can see that. If I can get there. Yeah, it didn't go in all the way. So these two did. The other two, they went in no problem. Well, there was a bit of a problem. I did have to try every single hole on each one of them. The handles actually unscrew as well, and they're the same size die as the others, and it still didn't go in. But be careful, because these are loose, and you have to really tighten them up. The other problem, just to let you know on this one, on the guard, on the chuck guard, there's a screw. If I can focus on that, actually, it's just there, and you have to screw that in. Well, behind there's a, I don't think you'll be able to see it, but on there, behind there is a little nut, and yeah, that fell off. So it's just be careful of that if you do that. Other than that, it's not too bad. I've got it working. It went together really well. So the only problem was just that screw and the handle. Other than that, it's fine. I've put it going. I'll just turn it on for you. So it's moving pretty good. Obviously, you can't see it really going around, but it is going. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. But what I'm going to do now, I've got a few bits. I've got a few bits there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try them out, and I'll let you know how I'll get on with them. Stand by. So okay guys, that's the first drill bit that's in there. Easy as normal. It's to put in as easy, you know, it's just a normal drill. So I'm going to turn it on now, and we'll give it a go in a bit of wood I've got. Goes down. might have to raise that, so just bear with me. I'm going to have to raise that panel up a bit, just bear with me. There we go, I've managed to do all that. It's just a bit hard with one hand trying to film and do this, so here we go, let's have a look. Here she goes down nicely. Yeah, sweet as a nut. That's lovely. She's down. Goes again. Goes all the way through. I don't know if you can see the, well, you can't see the bottom part. All the way through there. That's nice. I'm happy with that. So I'll turn that off. We've got a good on and off switch. Yeah, look, it's all covered in rubber. One thing I will say about this though is you might want to put some gloves on when you do it, because it's really greasy. It's too, I think, over greased there, I think, to be quite honest. But I'll put the other ones in now and I'll give them a go as well. Yeah, I'm happy with that one. That's going through all right. I want to go all the way through. Oh, that stopped pretty quick, that one. I've got rain there again. Yeah. Well, that's about it, guys. You've seen it all working now. You've seen it from the box to working. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. Obviously, it's a bit loose and wobbly on here, but once I bolt it down, yeah, I'll be happy with it. Well, thanks for listening, and good luck with it.